how to see back up photos or backed up photos in Google Photos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bastant, and today I'll guide you on how you can see the backed up photos in Google Photos. Now first things first, let me show you how you can back up the picture. You can simply open up Google Photos and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you can see the backup is off, and I can turn on backup. If you don't get this option here, you want to scroll down, head into Google Photo settings or photo settings, any settings that you get there, and then tap on backup option and you can enable it here. Once you enable it, now suppose you want to see the backed up photos from another device, all you have to do is you can head into the browser or you can head into the Google Photos application and log into this particular account that you have backed up your photos on. Make sure you're connected to the internet and then connect the account, and then once you connect the account, if you just go ahead and turn backup on that device, and if you scroll down below, your backed up photos will start loading up and you'll be able to view it there and save it on that particular device as well. So this is the way you can see backup photos in Google Photos. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.